The ductwork in your home can impact how your air conditioning system runs. And with temperatures heating up for summer, you want to make sure that everything is clean and your AC is running cool. Joining us to tell us more is Dan Billingsley, the president of Heatwave Heating, Cooling and Plumbing. Welcome to Bloom, Dan. It's great to see you.
Thanks for having me.
You know, it's important to talk prevention because you don't want to be calling someone like yourself. I mean, I'm glad we can call you, but when things completely break down. So how often should people get their duct system cleaned, and why is that so important?
How often you should get your ducts? Well, you should get your AC and your duct system inspected at least every 6 months. Here, our AC runs year round, right? So you want to get it checked every 6 months, and part of our AC inspection is we also check your duct system too. We make sure it's clean, it's still intact, it didn't get any holes in it where it's going to suck in attic insulation into your home and stuff like that.
Yeah, people don't realize how much can go wrong. What are some of the signs that, hey, it's time to have your ductwork looked at and your AC units?
So some of the signs would be, say, like if someone in your house is maybe having more allergies than normal, if you have stuff on your vents like dirt, dust, maybe mildew like on your vents and your ceiling, or maybe even sometimes it gets onto your ceiling drywall. If you're having to dust your counters more than you're used to, there's definitely something going on.
Yeah, that's good to think about, because you're right. When my little ones and me start sneezing and scratching our throats, you're like, okay, what's up here? If you don't have these regular checkups, is there a risk that your whole system could just break down and cost you more in the long run?
Yeah, well, the key preventive maintenance is to prevent breakdowns, right? We want to make sure everything is working to factory specs, because unfortunately your AC only breaks on the hottest day of summer, it seems like.
Yeah, it's so true. That's exactly when mine breaks down. So the duct cleaning is key to keeping a good system running.
It's definitely a big portion of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much does a duct cleaning cost?
Well, there's no straight answer to that because every home is different. There's lots of different types of duct systems. Some are accessible, some aren't. So what we do is we come out and we do a free assessment and evaluation of your home and your duct system, and then we price it accordingly. There's no straight answer to that.
Now, is it more energy efficient to keep your ducts clean and your system running properly?
Oh yeah. Usually on average your AC will run, probably 20% more efficient if it's clean, the indoors clean, the outdoors clean, your ducts are cleaned. Plus, if you get holes in your ductwork in the attic, it's going to suck in that hot attic air and make your air conditioner work even harder.
Now, do you also help people with repairs? Let's say,
oh, yeah.
Somebody out there, they waited to the last minute, they didn't hear this important news that you're sharing with us now about getting your system checked and getting your ductwork checked, but you could actually come out and help if someone's in crisis.
Oh yeah, we have technicians on call 7 days a week. Our call center is staffed 7 days a week, so we're always there to answer the call when you're in dire need and you give us a call. Yeah, we always have somebody on call, AC and plumbing.
Oh, that's great to know,
Yeah.
especially because people start to panic. I've been in a hot house before.
It's not fun.
It's not fun. It's not fun at all. And you guys service all throughout the Tampa Bay area?
The entire Tampa Bay area.
That's great, and it's good to have honest, trustworthy people. I know that you guys have worked with folks for a long, long time here in the Tampa area.
Yeah, I've been doing air conditioning for 23 years now, and I'm third generation doing AC and plumbing.
Oh, that's really cool.
So this is what I know, and this is what I do.
All right, well, thank you so much to have somebody trusted like yourself come on our show. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. And for more information on Heatwave Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, just visit heatwavehvac.com or call 727-777-6229. That's 727-777-6229. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this, so don't go away.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Heatwave Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing.